Oh, Freddie's heat 3. He is at the back of the grid.
Again, the final cluster heat of the day gets underway. And look at that from the back to the grip.
Who's that just gone up the front?
Through the middle. Absolutely incredible centre of the middle. Like, as always, confirmation will come when they come down towards the straight. We see not what number it is. It's the number 75 of Paul Johnson.
Come on, son! Factory roll Enfield. The junior on his Rotax. Come on, son. That Enfield's got the legs and the on the straight. Come on, son.
Very, very deep.
Come on, son. That's it. That's it. Oh! Come on, boy. Come on, son. Oh, that Enfield's just got the legs on the straight. Obviously, it's a bit heavier in the corners. Come on, Freddie. Come on, son! Oh, Paul's taking the inside now. Come on, son, get him on the inside, come on! Come on, boy, come on, boy! Round the outside! Fucking go for it! Oh.